Hello friends, I am your new English teacher. I am Mrs. Sandhya Palvi and I am going to teach you English this year. So the first topic for today is about English grammar. The first topic is about nouns and kinds of nouns. You all know children that noun is a naming word. A name of any person, place, thing or animal is called as a noun. Now here in this topic we are going to see that there are 5 kinds of nouns. How many kinds of nouns? There are 5 kinds of nouns. The first is a common noun. First is a common noun. Now this is the definition of a common noun. A common noun is a general name of any person, place, thing or animal. Now I have given here 3 examples. For example, school. It might be any school. Boy. When we say boy, it might be any boy. When we say a garden, it might be any garden. So these are few examples of a common noun. Second kind of noun is a proper noun. A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Particular means one particular thing. We cannot say in general like common noun, we can't say boy, any boy. Rohan. Now here I have an example Rohan. It is name of a particular boy, Rohan. So proper noun always starts with a capital letter. This thing you always have to remember when you are writing proper noun. Even if the proper noun comes in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, proper noun should always be in capital letter. Now proper, here I have written Rohan. It is a name of a particular boy. Rohan is a good boy or Rohan is an intelligent child. So intelligent and good, they tell only about Rohan. So it is a proper noun. Now here I have written another example, Shivaji Park. It is name of a particular park. So here Shivaji and S and Park P are capital because it is a name of a particular place, a particular park. So children, you write this definition in your notebook. Yes, students, write the definition of the proper noun and you write your own 3 examples of proper noun. I have written Rohan and Shivaji Park. You write 3 more examples of proper noun. And remember, when you are writing proper noun, the first letter should be written in capital. The third type of noun is a collective noun. A collective noun is a noun given to a group or collection of persons, animals or things of the same category. Means suppose many animals are there together. Many animals are there together, we say it is a herd of cattle. For animal, another name for animal is cattle. When many animals are there together, we say cattle, a herd of cattle. Many keys are there. I have many keys with me together in my hand. I will say I have a bunch of keys. So all different types of keys but together. They are in the same collection or the same category. So like that, collective noun is a noun or given to a group or collection of the same kind. Now when we have many flowers together, we say a bouquet of flowers or a bunch of flowers. Like that, I have given you 2 examples, a bunch of grapes and a cluster of stars. Many stars we see in the sky. We say a cluster of stars, and other ways also we say a galaxy of stars. So in this way, you can come to know about many collective nouns. There are very interesting many collective nouns. So now first you write the definition of the collective noun and on your own try to find out 3 collective nouns and write it in your notebook. The fourth kind of noun is an abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun that names an abstract thing. Here abstract means what? Means we cannot see that thing. It does not have any existence. It does not exist. We can only think or feel about it. Abstract means a thing which does not exist. Remember this, children. Abstract thing means what? An abstract thing is a thing which does not exist. It does not have any existence. So it means we can't see or touch it. Abstract noun, when we see, we cannot see or we cannot touch it. We can only feel, think, speak and discuss about it. Now for example, here I have given here happiness. We can see happiness. When someone is happy, we can see the happiness around us. We can see, when we see happy, we see a person, we can say he is full of happiness. Then truth. Always speak the truth. We cannot touch truth, but we can come to know that it is a Truth means the true thing. Darkness. Night, we say it is darkness outside, it is quite dark, or it is darkness is everywhere. So these are the examples of abstract noun. Children, now first you write down the definition of the abstract noun and try to find out 2 or 3 more examples of your own of abstract noun. The fifth kind of noun is the material noun. A material noun refers to the material or substance from which any article or thing is made. Means any article means, now suppose you take example of chair. We make chair out of wood. So wood is an example of material noun. So like that, in things which are made out of something, those nouns are called as material nouns. Here I have given you 2 examples. One is leather and one is gold. Out of leather, what do we make, children? Many things are made out of leather. The shoes which you wear, the handbags which your mother uses or the teacher uses, purses. These are all made of leather. Gold is used to make different kinds of ornaments. So now children, you just think some material nouns, just think and write the names of it, out of which other different things are made. Now students, I hope you have understood the lesson which I taught you about the different kinds of nouns. Now here is an assignment for you. I have written some words on the board. Copy them in your notebook and see, look at the question. Put the following words into the proper columns. First, what you have to do, you have to make columns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. You have to make columns, 5 columns, and these words. First is honesty, flock, sea, Taj Mahal, silver, iron, Godavari, city, swarm and wisdom. These are 10 words. These words you have to put in the correct column. Now suppose abstract noun is there. Out of these 10 words, abstract noun, which are the abstract nouns, you have to put in abstract noun column. Which is the proper noun, you have to put it in proper noun column. Understood, children? So write this neatly in your notebook. Okay, children, then bye. Have a nice day.